Kaunti ya Meru nionekene kwithirwa ikigwata mbaru kana gutetheria muno antu bara bethagirwo bataukiri kana bari na mawathe mwanya mwanya. Babu ni nyuma ya antu baba kwithirwa bakirugurirwa Sacco iria ikomba kwithirwa ikibatetheria na njira ya kwithirwa bakirugura biashara mwanya mwanya cia gwitetheria.
Of the PWD Sacco. Why the matter? The CD capital that you have, it's wholly from our directorate. The first time you were given the 5 million, last year you were given 10 million. That's a kit from our directorate that was given a directive by the governor, because our directorate has 3 main areas. We deal with all issues of persons with disability, we deal with issues of the street children, orphans, vulnerable and charitable children. We also deal with issues of gender.
Na nkuruki kwithirwa bakithondeka kiama kia arungamiri ba antu baba bari na mawathe kuma ntere cionthe cia kaunti ya Meru. Kiaria Bramwell Otwane uria ni Cooperatives Program Officer na ugete ati ntere cionthe kana antu bonthe kuma kaunti ya Meru bari na murungamiri aria ni kiama kiria kithuri kiri na murungamiri okuma ntere cionthe cia kaunti ya Meru.
I mean, in every constituency, so tukaenda ki constituency wise, every constituency even one board member to represent that area. So now that we have people to help us on the grassroots, please, kila board member ashike delegates wake, so that you meet as a constituency. Wewe na board delegates wako mpange vile mtafanya recruitment, mpange vile watu watakuwa sensitized na mambo kama haya, so that any challenges mnaleta kwa office. But meanwhile, I want to expect now from where we have reached, the Sacco will grow very fast. So kila area itakuwa napata message, information, sensitization na communication itakuwa sasa touching in every corner. So please, mjitolee vile promoters walijitolea. Mkijitolea, sooner or later, within a few years to come, this Sacco will be reckoned.
Nkoroki antu baba bari na mawathe kuma ntere cionthe ni boretio kwithirwa bagichiumiria na muno bari nja ciao na kwithirwa bagitonyitharia na Sacco ichi kana gikundi giki nikienda bomba kwithirwa bagitetheka na gukara bwega ta antu bangi kuma mutindwa jwa kangangi mbitankirote wa Kinoti.